Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Today we will draw very interesting fruit. By the way, which is your favorite fruit? I am going to draw my favorite fruit, which is banana. For this we need a pencil color and sketchbook. Let's start drawing it. Get ready your sketchbook page for making it. Firstly, draw a curved line as a top of banana. Now, draw another curved line slightly longer than and below the first line. Like this. Draw a small circle connecting the line on bottom end. Like this. This is the belly bottom of banana. On the top, make a stem like shape. Like this. In the end, draw a long curved line from the stem to the end of banana. Like this. This indicates the split in the banana's peel. We have done our drawing. Let's color it. Most of bananas are yellow and green, so I am using these two colors here. Students, stalk should be made in one direction only. Students, shading should be neat and clean. Make sure shading is merged with yellow color beautifully. So we have done it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.